Let's talk a little bit about learning. We learn by repetition and review. Certain materials simply must be memorized. Remember your multiplication tables? How many inches is in a foot? 3 feet in a yard? 746 watts per motor horsepower? 1 gallon of water weighs 8.33 pounds? 3.414 BTUs per watt. Atmospheric pressure at sea level, 14.696 psia. 0.24 specific heat of air, 25,400 microns per inch, 1 ton of cooling, 288,000 BTUs per 24 hours, 12,000 BTUs per hour, 200 BTUs per minute. There's a lot of general information that we use every day, usually without even thinking about it. In everyday life, we make a lot of conversions. In the HVAC industry, we do conversions also. If you're an HVAC technician, you probably took the NATE test, and you probably saw a page like this with a lot of equations on it. On the NATE test, which tests your knowledge of the HVAC industry, you're required to work a lot of these equations. This is good exercise and a process of learning to be better at your job. You've heard the saying, practice makes perfect. Many people use puzzle books or workbooks to keep sharp at problem solving. Pilots test and sharpen their skills all the time in flight simulators. HVAC technicians need to practice and sharpen their skills to troubleshoot and resolve issues in the field.